with problem, that is page number 50. Dear students, what is our topic name? What is our lesson name? Comparing numbers, fourth chapter. Comparing three-digit numbers. We will learn greater than, less than, and equality in our previous class. Today we are going to solve some test with problems, that is page number 50. Already we have finished question number 1, 2, 3. Now question number 4. Write the following sets of numbers in ascending order and descending order. See here, given one box, question number 4, page number 50. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. First, the example 367, 212, 684, and 801. Now we order. Okay, children, what is the meaning of the ascending order? Ascending order means we arrange the numbers from small to big. Ascending order means small to big. See, from the given numbers 367, 212, 684, and 801. From here, which is the smallest number? 212. And after 367, now 684, and the final number 801. This is called ascending order from small to big. 212, 367, 684, and 801. Next, descending order. Children, what is the meaning of the descending order? We arrange the number from big to small. Big to small called descending order. Descending order is the reverse process of ascending order. We can write the numbers from big to small, or it is a reverse process of ascending order. See, from the given number, which one biggest one? First biggest number is 801. Next, 684. And next 367. And the final number is 212. Or descending order is right from ascending order, that is the reverse process. See, 801, 684, 367, and first one is your last one, 212, 212. Yes, descending order means the numbers arranged from big to small. This is called descending order. Now, question number A. Dear children, question number A. Given numbers are 405. Next, 408. 500. And 306. Write the following set of numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Yes, meaning of the ascending order, the given numbers arranged from small to big. Okay, so given numbers are 405, 408, 500, 306. Here the smallest number is 306. The first smallest number is 306. Next one, 405 or 408. From these two, which is the smallest number? 405. From 408 and 500. From these two, which is the smallest? 408. And the final number is 500. This is called ascending order from small to big. Now next one is descending order. Descending order. The meaning of descending order is we arrange the number from big to small. Big to small. Or descending order is a completely reverse process of ascending order. From the ascending order, 306, 405, 408 and 500. We write these numbers from back to front. See, 500. Next, 408. Next, 405. And the final number, 306. This is called descending order. Arrange the numbers from big to small, or from the given number, which is the biggest one. 500 is the biggest one. 500. Next biggest number is 408. 408. Next one, 405. 405. The final smallest number is 306. 306. This is called ascending order, descending order. Dear children, remaining B, C, D are homework. This homework you write in textbook only. That is page number 50, question number 4. You have to complete this homework B, C, D in textbook only. Now, next question 5, that is in page number 51. Question number 5, page number 51. Page number 51, question number 5. Write 3-digit number using 7, 8 and 9. Page number 51, question number 5. Write 3-digit numbers. Write 3-digit numbers using 7, 8 and 9. We have to make 3-digit number by using 7, 8 and 9. We are given one example. The first box, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. And asking the smallest of this number. Smallest one. And asking biggest one also. For these numbers, we arrange in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. For these numbers only. This is question number 5. Write 3-digit numbers using 7, 8 and 9. From these numbers, we find smallest one and biggest one. For this number, we arrange the numbers from ascending order and descending order. See here, given number is given these are 7, 8, 9. One example is 789. We have to complete remaining 5 boxes by using 7, 8, 9. 789 is over. Now 798. Okay. Your digit in 100 place is 7, 7. Over. Next 8. 879 and 897. This 2 over in 100 place. Now take 9. 978 and 987. These are 3-digit numbers which forming 7, 8, 9. You are asking from this 6 smallest number form, starting with smallest number 7, next one is 8, next one is 9. 7, 8, 9. 789, smallest one. Now biggest one. Biggest one starting with biggest digit. The biggest one is your 9, next one 8, next one 7. 987. This is one biggest one. The smallest number is 789, forming with smallest number. Biggest number starting with the biggest digit 987. 987. Now you are asking also ascending order for these numbers. Next, descending order for these numbers. Now, meaning of the ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Yes. From these numbers, which is the smallest one? Smallest one. 789. 789. Next one, 798. 791. 798 over next 879. 879. Next 897 over next 978 and the final one 987. Yes. Ascending order small to big. The smallest number is 787. 787. To big, biggest number 987. 987. Next, descending order. Descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small or reverse process of ascending order. From the ascending order, we add the number from back to front. Backward to front. That is the last number 987. 987 over next 978. 978. Next 897. 897. Next 879. 879. Next 798. 798. And the final number is 789. 789. Descending order means big to small. Your biggest number is 987. Starting number is 987. Too small. Which is one is the smallest number? 789. 789. Yes, end with 789. This is called descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Now, question number 6. Page number 51. Okay, students. Now, question number 6, that is the page number 51. Write the 10 three-digit numbers which have 9 in the 10th place. We want 3-digit numbers. The condition is that or the digit 9 in the 10th place. Question number 6. Write the 10 three-digit numbers which have 9 in the 10th place. Okay, dear children, listen carefully. We want 10 numbers. The 10 numbers found with 3 digits. Your condition is the number 9 or the digit 9 in the 10th place. We want 10 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 3-digit number means ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Please look at the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. 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 Yes. Our condition is the digit 9 in the 10th place. Here 10th place 9. Here 10th place 9. 10th place 9. 10th place 9. 10th place the digit is 9. 10th place the digit is 9. In the 10th place the digit is 9. In the 10th place the digit is 9. In the 10th place the digit is 9. This is the condition. Yes, we generate 3-digit number. We want 10 3-digit numbers. The digit 9 in the 10th place. The condition is the digit in the 10th place. Yes. We can write your wish. 101. You are right 2. 192. You are right 2. You are 3. 293. You are take the digit 3 in 10th 100 place. You can write any digit in ones place, that is 394, 495, 596, 798, 697, 899, or 998, 190. These are 10 numbers which are found by 3 digits. The condition is the digit 9 in the 10th place. It is given one. Okay, these are our required numbers. These are 10 3-digit number with the condition the digit 9 in the 10th place. Here the biggest number. You are asking biggest number. Biggest one. Biggest number. And also asking smallest number. Smallest number. Okay, students, from these 10 numbers, which is the biggest one? Biggest one, which one is the, which digit in 100 place? Which is the, see here, in 100 place, here 1, here 9 is there. Yes, this is the biggest number, 998. The biggest digit in 100 place is 998. Now smallest number. See that the smallest digit in the 100 place here is there and here is there. 9, 1, 1. In tens is 9, 9. Ones is 2 and 0. 100 place the digit is 1. Here also 1. Next we compare in 10th place. The digit in 10th place is 9. Here 9. Both are same. Next we compare the digit in ones place. Ones place is to here 0. From 2 and 0, this is the smallest one, 0 is smallest one. Then 190 is the smallest number. 190 is the smallest number. The biggest number from these 10 numbers is 998. The smallest number from these 10 three-digit number is 190. You can write your wish to get a different number, but the condition is the digit 9 in the 10th place. You can generate different numbers by using your different digits, but the condition is 9 in the 10th place. This is the question number 6. Question today we have finished question number 4, 5, 6. From the question number 4, I gave homework that is B, C, D. Okay, students. Now question number 7 also homework. 7 also homework. Okay, students. These are today's topic. 4th one is completed. 5th one is completed. 6th one also completed. Now 7th one is homework for you. In tomorrow class, I will explain question number 7. Okay, children. Thank you for everyone.